Have you ever found yourself sitting on the couch, watching your favorite television program and thought, I wish my pet were currently attached to my body? We have a product that may help you attain that dream. Introducing the Velcro Dog. The Velcro Dog has been scientifically engineered to attach directly to your body using a blend of space-age nanotechnology and dark magics. The Velcro Dog will seek you out no matter what your current state. On the couch, Velcro Dog. In the kitchen, Velcro Dog. In the bedroom, compromised. Oh, there she is again, increasing the challenge rating. The one caveat to Velcro Dog's patented proximity-seeking programming is that anytime you actually want the dog near you, she can't be found. Velcro Dog, a pet so close, it's integrated.